Argentina football great Lionel Messi reached India at Kolkata on Friday for the GOAT Tour. Thousands of fans have gathered at the airport on Friday and at the Salt Lake Stadium on Saturday to get a glimpse of him. However, the event turned chaos on Saturday. Let's find out why. Thousands of fans gathered at the Salt Lake Stadium, Kolkata to welcome Messi on Saturday. However, later, after the footballer left, there was chaos. Fans began throwing chairs and bottles in anger. They vandalized the properties at the stadium. Crowd also gathered outside the hotel where star footballer Lionel Messi was staying, due to which police personnel had to use mild force to disperse them. But what caused the frenzy among fans? It was the inability to catch a glimpse of the football great, for which they paid hefty amount of money for. Several fans claimed that they paid tickets ranging from Rs 5,000 to Rs 25,000. However, were disappointed as they could not see him. Some of the fans said Messi was surrounded by VVIPs, including leaders and celebrities, the whole 20 minutes he was in the stadium. According to reports, the 2022 World Cup winner was supposed to take a full lap of the stadium, but he did not due to the chaos.
गोल पोस्ट को तोड़कर ग्राउंड से बाहर ले जा रहे हैं गुस्साए भीड़।
Actually, if I had been in Messi's position, I would have done the same. Seeing the utter chaos, the management, the authorities, absolutely rubbish. All of the people that you see here, we all love football. Genuinely, we wanted to see Messi a glimpse, but it was a total scam. We want our money back, to be honest. And Mr. Sotadru Datta, who's the main person behind this event, he did a good job, but unfortunately, the management was so bad. It is a black day for Kolkata. Kolkata is known for football and we love football, we love Argentina. But this experience is absolutely a scam. The people, if the ministers was there with their sons, daughter, everybody. The other people, we could not see one. You can see, everyone is saying the same thing. This is absolutely not done. We are very hurt.
The minimum ticket was 5K. And why were the VVIPs around Messi? We couldn't even see him. We couldn't even get a glimpse of him. So, why, was this scripted? I don't know. Why weren't the police taking action? I don't know anything. Everyone was furious. Everyone was very furious. I have nothing to say. I need Sotadru to give us the answer. We want the refund. We want the refund.
Paying that hefty amount of money is just that they had 50 people around him who were going around him, and we couldn't even get a glimpse of him for once. It was just those ministers, whoever were there, and he just waved a couple of times and that's it.
Meanwhile, the organizer of the event has been reportedly arrested after an FIR was lodged. West Bengal DGP Rajiv Kumar confirmed the development and said that they are taking action to ensure the mismanagement does not go unpunished. Additional Director General Law and Order George Shamim meanwhile stated that there is normalcy now. FIR has been lodged and the chief organizer has been arrested. He also said organizers are promising that they will return ticket fee to fans.
We have already detained the main organizer. We are taking action so that this mismanagement does not go unpunished, and we will see that the fans, that's our expectation, that the fans should be adequately compensated. That is for, please, this is not for, I will let the more details, if any is required or anything, if I have missed, I think ADG Law and Order and CP Vidhan Nagar will address.
Sir,
is that all right? Just a minute, please. In the morning at Salt Lake Stadium, there was some kind of anger or anxiety in the fans saying that he's not playing. The plan was that he will come here, wave and meet certain people and leave. Now the government has already constituted a committee which will look into all the aspects of if there was a mismanagement from the organizer side or anything else. This will be looked into. Second, to the fans. We have already told the organizer. We will persuade him. He is giving in writing to the whomsoever concerned that the tickets which have been sold, they should be refunded, because there was not much of this thing was done. Now the situation is right now under control, and I will urge all the fans. Calcutta is an emotional place. A lot of fans must have felt that they would be able to see Messi playing. They couldn't see that. The program was a little too short, and this thing. So we would right now what we expect is that the organizers will come through as far as that return of ticket is concerned. They're giving in writing, but we'll make sure that they return, otherwise legal action will be taken. The mismanagement we have seen from the organizer side, their team, security team, their press team running around. This is, we will take action, and we have already detained the organizer. So this is it. Right now, all of us should calm the tempers. As I'm saying, please. I am not taking questions. The other details, please listen to it. We have already detained the main organizer. We are taking action so that this mismanagement does not go unpunished. And we will see that the fans, that's our expectation, that the fans should be adequately compensated. That is for, please, this is not for, I will let the more details, if any is required or anything, if I have missed, I think ADG Law and Order and CP Vidhannagar will address. Is that all right? Just a minute, please.
सवेरे जो इनसे तीन चीज है, नॉर्मलसी अभी टोटली है, ठीक है, जिनको जो नॉर्मलसी की बात थी सब हो गया है. सेकंड पार्ट इन्वेस्टिगेशन है, एफआईआर इज बीन लॉन्च, और जो चीफ ऑर्गेनाइजर है, ही हैज बीन अरेस्टेड, ठीक है. इन द मीन टाइम नो, ही हैज बीन अरेस्टेड. एंड द थर्ड पार्ट एज आई एम टेलिंग कि क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, इंक्वायरी कमेटी की जाएगी, और इंक्वायरी, यस, ही हैज बीन अरेस्टेड, ठीक है. No. Again, I'm telling you, they are promising that they will return. We'll see how it can be done. Arrested.
Meanwhile, the incident made West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee to apologize for the chaotic turn of events and ordered an inquiry. However, Union Minister Sukanda Majumdar took the opportunity to criticize the Mamata government and said such a big international player is going to different parts of the country, but nothing happened anywhere. The incident that happened in West Bengal today shows what the Trinamool Congress had made West Bengal into. The entire program was hijacked by TMC. Meanwhile, TMC leader Kunal Ghosh, condemning the incident, stated some people surrounded Messi in such a way that the football fans who had bought tickets at high prices were deprived of seeing him. Due to the misconduct of just a few people, the sentiments of football lovers have been hurt. Some political parties have also started politicizing this issue, he added.
कि इतना बड़ा एक इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर भारत के अलग अलग हिस्से में जा रहे हैं, कहीं पे कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. पश्चिम बंगाल में आज जो घटना घटी वो दर्शाता है कि पश्चिम बंगाल में तृणमूल कांग्रेस ने कैसे पश्चिम बंगाल को बना दिया है. क्योंकि पूरा जो प्रोग्राम है इसमें शुरू से लेकर अंत तक पश्चिम बंगाल में जो प्रोग्राम हो रहा है वो पूरा तृणमूल ने हाईजैक किया है. तृणमूल के सुजीत बोस से लेकर अरूप विश्वास से लेकर सारे मंत्री इसमें लगे हुए हैं. पैसे की इसमें लूट हुई है. 5,000-8,000 रुपये की टिकट भी बेची गई, उसमें टिकट की भी कालाबाजारी हुआ, इसमें करप्शन हुआ. मतलब तृणमूल कांग्रेस रहेगा और करप्शन नहीं होगा, ये तो हो नहीं सकता. इसमें भी करप्शन हुआ. बोतल जेब होके वो भी तृणमूल के लोग हैं, अरूप विश्वास के लोग बोल रहे हैं लोग कि अरूप विश्वास के लोग हैं. तो पूरा मेसी का मेज बना के रख दिया तृणमूल कांग्रेस.
ये मेसी को लेकर युवा भारती क्रीड़ांगन सॉल्ट लेक स्टेडियम में जो हुआ है वो एकदम अनफॉर्चुनेट है. हम लोग कंडेम कर रहा है, और बीइंग वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ मोहन बागान क्लब, नेशनल क्लब ऑफ इंडिया, मैं भी इसको कंडेम कर रहा हूं. कुछ लोग मेसी के सामने पास में पूरा बीच में रख के ऐसे गार्ड करके रखा, जो गैलरी से जो सपोर्टर्स है, मेसी लवर्स है, फुटबॉल लवर्स है, बहुत ऊंचे प्राइस से टिकट खरीदा है, वो लोग डिप्राइव्ड हो गया. और कुछ लोग कुछ लोग शेमफुल बिहेवियर, शेमफुल अनकल्चर्ड बिहेवियर जो ये किया, उसका नतीजा जो फुटबॉल फैंस को जो इमोशन था उसका आउटबर्स्ट हो गया। इसीलिए वो पानी का बोतल से शुरू होकर कुछ अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट हो गया। ये जो सेंटिमेंट है फुटबॉल फैंस का, मैं एज वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ मोहन बागान क्लब उसको सपोर्ट करता हूं, लेकिन उसको थोड़ा संयम दिखाना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये सॉल्ट लेक स्टेडियम ये हमारा फेवरेट स्टेडियम है और ये सॉल्ट लेक स्टेडियम जो है वो डैमेज हो रहा है। और इसके बारे में अभी भालचर पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ भालचर, कुछ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ये शुरू कर दिया है, ये कलकत्ता को बदनाम करने के लिए। पहले तो एक अनफॉर्चुनेट घटना तो हो ही गया, लेकिन आपका जो ये जोश है, आपका जो क्षोभ है, आप गुस्से में आकर जो कर रहे हैं, उससे कुछ भालचर जो पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ भालचर करते हैं, कुछ वो लोग अभी घुस गए हैं, वो कलकत्ता को बदनाम करने का, वो कुछ इधर उधर क्वेश्चन उठाने का, मैलाइन करने का, ये सब शुरू कर दिया है। आप थोड़ा अपने गुस्से को कंट्रोल कीजिए, नहीं तो ये जो स्पोर्ट्स का एक इवेंट का जो एक घटना है, उसका बुरी तरह उसका इस्तेमाल करने का कोशिश कर रहा है कुछ लोग। तो ऐसा तो नहीं चलेगा। वो जो प्राइवेट जो लोग हैं, जो मेन ऑर्गेनाइजर है, जो एजेंट है, इरेस्पॉन्सिबल है, उसका खिलाफ तो लीगल कार्रवाई होना चाहिए। कि रुपया बिजनेस, मेसी को लेकर सिर्फ बिजनेस होता है? इतने करोड़ फैंस है, बंगाल में है, इंडिया में है, कलकत्ता में है, ये क्या किया उन्होंने? ये तो प्राइवेट पार्टी का ये प्रोग्राम था, तो वो क्या रिक्विजिशन दिया था, उसका क्या प्लानिंग था, मेसी का एजेंट लोगों से उनका क्या बातचीत हुआ था, गवर्नमेंट से कितना कोऑपरेशन वो मांगे थे? तो ये तो वो प्राइवेट एजेंट का रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, लेकिन भुगतना पड़ रहा है सबको। तो हम ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि आपका जो फुटबॉल फैंस है, जो मिस किया मेसी को, आपका जो सेंटिमेंट है, गुस्सा है, दुख है, ये तो होना ही था, ये नॉर्मल है। लेकिन गुस्से में आप जो कर रहे हैं, उसका कोई फायदा दूसरे कोई लोग ले रहे हैं, बदनाम कर रहे हैं, आप कृपा करके ये कंसीडर कीजिए।